Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to grow on TikTok by switching to a pro account. And if this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button because seriously it genuinely helps my channel. So thank you so much for your support. So the first thing you want to do is to open up the TikTok application on your mobile device. And then once you have the app open on your mobile device, just head over to your icon at the bottom right corner of the page and click on that. And then you should land on your home page. Once you are on your home page, head over to the settings menu or the three dots that are there at the top right corner of the page and click on that. And then head over to manage account. Once you are in the manage account section of the page, you should find an option that says switch to pro account. Just click on that. And then here you'll be presented with two option types or two account types you can use, either as a creator or if it's a business you're trying to run on TikTok. So whichever options best suits your business or your account type, you just have to select that. So I'll just go with creator for now. And here you would have a whole lot of categories which you can choose from, which best represents the type of account which you want to open or which you are running on TikTok. And this category won't be displayed publicly to people coming over to your profile or visiting your profile page on TikTok. So you can see here we have education, we have entertainment, we have media. There are a whole lot of categories. So just pick what best suits your account. So for now, let's just say we go with media and then we'll click on next. Here you have to choose your gender. And then you should get a message from TikTok welcoming you to the creator account. And now you can see you can explore the analytics of your channel or your page right away. So you can either click on explore analytics here to head over to the analytics section of your page. But later I will show you another way of accessing your analytics also from your home page. So just click on explore analytics. And then you should land on the analytics page. And here you can see we have overview. That's the first tab we have right there. So this gives you an overview of your video views, and just underneath that here you can see we have followers and then we have profile views. So you can see these are the options we have here for the overview, and just after overview here we have content. So here this shows you the amount of videos you have posted over a period of time. So you can see it says last 7 days and it shows 0 posts. And just underneath video posts there we have trending videos. So this gives you analysis of your most trending videos over the last 7 days and how they have been growing over time. So you can get to look at this data and understand and learn, and also try to replicate this data you have gotten from your videos and know how to improve and help you to create more similar trending content for your channel. So just after content there we have followers. And here you can see the amount of followers you have, but to get a more detailed analysis of your followers or insights about your followers, you need to get up to 100 followers to access that feature. So now let's just head over to our homepage while I show you how to access individual analysis for each of your videos. Once you are on your homepage, just click on the video which you would like to get the analysis or the statistics for. So let's say I want to get the analysis for this individual post which I've made on TikTok. Just click on the post you want to get the analysis for, and then once the page is open, just click on the options menu at the bottom part of the screen where you have the three dots there showing. And then once you do that, if you look at the bottom left corner of the page, you can see something there called analytics. So this helps you to get specific or particular information about individual video posts which you have done on your TikTok account. So if I should click on this now, here you can see a general overview of the amount of views that post has had, the likes, the comments, and how many times the video has been shared. Then just below that you can see total play time and average watch time as well. And then you can see something called traffic source type and audience territories. So traffic source types talks about where your video traffic comes from, which simply means where people are viewing your video or this particular video from. So if I just click on this now, here you can see traffic can come to your video from the For You page, from your personal profile, from people following you, from the sound, from search, or from hashtags. So this provides more insight or information about where most of your traffic is coming to this particular video. Just underneath traffic sources there we have audience territories. So it tries to show you your viewers or your views by territory. So this is how you access data or information about particular posts you have on your TikTok account. So to access the general analytics for your channel, if I head back now to my homepage, to head over to the general analysis, the place we were before we came to the analysis for individual videos, head over to the settings menu at the top right corner of the page. That's where you have the 3 dots. And then once you do that, just head over to Creator Tools and then click on that. And then you should find an option that says Analytics. So just click on Analytics. And then you can access the page where you have a general overview of all your posts, your contents, and then your followers. So with a pro account on TikTok, this helps you to really grow and analyze your channel properly and understand the engagement you're having with your followers and also potential followers which you're trying to get to. So if you found the video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button so YouTube knows that you enjoy the content. And if you also like to learn more helpful how-to tutorials, then head over to my channel and watch my other videos. Hope to see you all on the next one. Have a great day.